Hi everyone, my name is Nicole from Sydney English Teacher and from the Successful English Learner by Sydney English Teacher, and welcome to lesson number 10 in my YouTube series where I teach you how to pronounce some of the most difficult words in the English language. Not just words that are difficult, but words that are difficult to pronounce. So my job here is to make your life a little bit easier and more enjoyable so that number one, you feel more confident when pronouncing, and number two, so that more people understand you. Just a reminder that I am not teaching the pronunciation of Australian English or British English or even American English. No. I am just teaching you the standard international English pronunciation so that you will be understood by people from all over the world. And that's what our goal is, isn't it? To be understood and to communicate confidently and effectively. So we are up to lesson number 10. If you have enjoyed the previous videos, please make sure that you share them with your family and friends if you think that they would benefit from improving their pronunciation as well. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you never miss out on any new learning content. Thank you so much. Let's have a look now at the words that I've chosen for lesson number 10. We've got the word specific. Specific. The way to pronounce this is sp, si, thick, specific. Your turn. Yes, so if it's a tongue twister or it's hard, then just break it down into the separate sounds and say them really slowly with a break in between each of them. And then as you become more confident, say them more and more quickly without that break in between. Specific. Well done. Very, very good. The next word we have is world. Again, there's no O sound in this. So instead, think of the word were, the past tense there. Were. And then we'll just add a l-d. World. Your turn. Perfect. Well done. World. Very, very good. The next word we have is message. Definitely is not pronounced age or age at the end. No. It's an ij sound. So we've got mess, like a big mess. Mess, ij. Message. Your turn. Well done. Message. Again. Perfect pronunciation. Well done. The next word we have is rarely. So think of the air around you and add an R at the beginning. So air, rare, and then rarely. Your turn. Perfect. Rarely. Well done. The next word we have is island. It's not Iceland or Island or whatever. Think of I. Okay. So it's island. Yes, similar to the country Ireland. You're right. Island. Definitely no S sound and definitely no land. Island. Well done. Perfect pronunciation, everyone. I'm really proud of you. So feel free to go back, watch the video again, press pause, take some notes, and practice. And more importantly, try to use these words throughout the week in sentences. If you hear them, copy them, pronounce them again, but really practice as much as possible and come back and watch the video again if you find anything difficult. Again, if you've got questions, please ask in the comments below. And if you have any words that you find difficult, send them to me and I'll be more than happy to include them in a future video. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed lesson 10. Come back again for a lesson 11. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, everyone. Bye.